Hello ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with you. So it's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome to this channel where we're passionate about your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing body oil. So it's a body oil I got recently and I have used it for like 2 weeks now, and I'm here to give my honest review. So guys, stay tuned and don't go away because I'll be telling you everything you need to know about my experience using this body oil for 2 weeks. We all know the importance of using body oil. I have spoken extensively about the benefits of using body oils, girls. So I have told us that body oils help us to lock in moisture. It helps to nourish your skin and it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized all the time. There's a season of Harmattan here in Nigeria, and in other countries this is winter. So many people need things to keep their body warm, and oil, we know oil, the work of oil in our body is to also keep your body temperature warm. We have fats and oil, they are called lipids, right? Now the lipids in your body tissue are there to help with your temperature regulation, to ensure that your body is warm at all times. So adding additional lipid in form of body oil also helps to keep your body warm to some extent, right? So and also to prevent breakout, your skin breaking out and all that, right? And somebody who has very dry skin, you know that you need oil to lock in your moisturizer. So that is a given. You can't have a dry skin and you don't include body oil in your routine. And even though you have oily skin or combination skin, it is still advisable to include body oil in your routine. So don't just skip it entirely. You can alternate days. Maybe if the weather is very warm, you don't want to sweat so much, so you can skip body oil. But on days that the weather is humid, or if the weather is just dry like this season, you just don't want to skip your body oil. If you do that, your skin will definitely thank you for doing so. What is the body oil I'm reviewing today, girls? It is no other than this one here, called the Alpha X3 Arbutin by Veet Gold. Yeah, by Veet Gold. So you see, I just got it 2 weeks ago and I have used it up to so. Let me bring it close to the camera, girls, so that you can see it. Right, so I'll be reading a lot of write-up on this particular body oil, and I'll be reading some of them out for us to hear what the manufacturer has claimed that this would do for our skin. So this is the new improved Veet Gold active whitening face and body oil. So this can be used both on face and body, and it has SPF 15. So I've already rubbed some on my body, as you can see, right? So it has SPF 15. Now the main ingredient here is alpha arbutin, and it's up to 3 times the strength of the regular alpha arbutin. That is what is in here, right? Now this body oil is also called the Whitening Plus, right? This one is the Whitening Plus. It's also called the body corrector and polishing oil. So this particular oil, the manufacturer claims that it will polish your skin and correct all defects that has to do with your skin. We're going to look at those things that it can correct. Right now, it is 7S Whitening Plus. So it has 3S strength of alpha arbutin and it has 7 times the strength of extra whitening. Cool. Now, what are the benefits of using this oil? According to this label, it fights hyperpigmentation, it clears sunburn, it clears age spot, it clears acne and scars, heals damaged skin, even your skin tone, and extra whitening. Now this has natural essential oil up to 100%, so it is majorly made up of essential oil. The size of this bottle is 500 ml. So you see, it has a scratch pin here to confirm authenticity. So this is how you confirm the genuineness of this body oil. If it doesn't have the scratch pin here for you to dial and confirm it, it is not original. It comes with this part sealed, right? I have broken the seal, and on this side you see it embossed Veet Gold. Yeah, I'm just trying to tell you the bottle, how it looks like the original. Now this alpha arbutin body corrector and polishing oil helps to increase your skin elasticity and provide anti-aging support to your face and body. Alpha arbutin, we know, is a lightening agent, is a lightening agent, right? And the strength here is up to 3 times the regular strength. Now what are the other ingredients aside from the alpha arbutin? Now you have niacinamide, which is a blemish control ingredient. It has citrus lemon, which is a brightening agent. It has hydrogenated macadamia seed oil, which is also a healing or anti-aging oil, right? Now, this ingredients in this oil are good ingredients. They are all lightening ingredients, and they have the potency of taking your skin tone from 1 to 7, which I agree. Now, let me give you my review since I started using this oil. One thing I must say, okay, so I'll tell you the positive and the negative for me, right? I'll start with the positive and then maybe I'll end with the negatives, because really after buying it, I at some point I was not happy, but let me save that for the other part. So you want to stay and hear the negative side of buying this oil, but let me talk about the beautiful side. So this oil is a hydrating body oil, yeah, but compared to other body oils that have made review on, I think those ones are more hydrating than this one. This is not really hydrating, it's more of oil than hydration, yeah. So that is one. Two, it's as lightweight, so I'm going to be showing you at the end, I'm going to be showing you how it runs. So it is lightweight body oil. It's not the type that is heavy on your skin or tacky. It is lightweight. That is two that you must know about this oil. Yeah, three, the oil is odorless. It doesn't have any smell. It's just there. It doesn't smell. In fact, it doesn't have any smell. It is totally odorless. So if you're somebody that don't like fragrance, you're good to go with this one because it's odorless. Now, another thing, it doesn't burn. There's some oil that you use when you go out of the sun, you feel this sweaty burning sensation, like you feel this heat. No, this oil doesn't make you sweat or feel that heat or burning sensation. Now, with respect to lightening, I cannot say that now because I said I just started using it 2 weeks ago. So maybe when I use it after 4 weeks or 6 weeks, I can come back to tell you if it lightened my skin. But so far I've been using it, I have not seen it darkening my skin or making me turn darker than I was. So I cannot for sure say that this particular body oil lightens or not now. So maybe by March I can come back and tell you if it lightens. Yeah, so I've talked about the odor, I've talked about the consistency, I've talked about how it feels on your skin. Now, one thing I also noticed about this oil is that it's soothing. Yeah, it suits the skin. There are some oil when you put them, you feel this hotness. No, this one calms your skin down, so it's soothing, and I love that so as well. The fact that it's soothing and it's odorless. Now, that is what I can say for the benefits so far. Like I said, in terms of lightening, I cannot say for now. I use it both on face and body because it's written there you can use it on face and body, which is okay. Now, for the disadvantage of this oil, they lot they lot for me, yeah, they lot, and those things might really be insignificant, but really they matter. So when you're producing, you should also have the user, the end user in mind when you're doing your overhaul in terms of production, packaging, and everything. Have your users in mind, right? So for the manufacturer of this particular product, I just think you guys did not do well with your packaging. Packaging, I will give you 0. Why I say so? For crying out loud, who does oil with this type of a lid? Guys, let me show you. I've not shown you people how it looked like. I told you I'm going to save that for the last. Guys, look at the seal of this body oil. You can imagine, I've not been able to even break it open. I had to just puncture a hole here. And it is not running. You can see my hand. I'm just holding it to do review. And every part of my hand is already running with this oil, right? I must say this is very bad. Because how do you want me to turn this without this peeling everywhere? I keep on wasting this oil every day since I started using it. And all the bottles filled with the oil. This is not the best way, guys. You can do better. Get a pump bottle, get something with it already tiny hole that you whatever, just get something better. This packaging 0. So if I end up removing this whole lid, that means when I want to pour, everything just splashes. So I would say veet gold, you guys did not do well with your packaging. It's 0. Right now I'm looking for a pipette bottle that I can use to turn this into it, and then maybe take out from there and be pipetting. You for oils, you need something like a pipette, just like those ones you see in serums. I'll be leaving what I'm trying to explain on the screen, so you see that is the best packaging for things like this. It should have either a pump or a pipette, preferably. This is 0. I will tell you, I'm so upset since I got it because there's no way I pick it up every day. My hand doesn't get this every day. Right now, I've not done it, but the ones that poured on the bottle is already all over my hand. So this is not good. Now, let me show you how the consistency is. And you see what I'm trying to say. See, pouring it everywhere is already messy. See, it will run down. So this is not it for me. Really, that is one of the disadvantages. Now, this is the second thing I want to talk about. The second part is the rate at which it absorbs into your skin. Yeah, you know, I mentioned that it is not as hydrating as other body oils I have made review on, like the Vaseline and all that. You want to go and look at those reviews. This particular oil, I think maybe because it's more of essential oil, it doesn't absorb quickly into your skin because it doesn't have a lot of moisture or hydration in it. So this does more of locking moisture. It doesn't have moisture itself. It locks in the moisture, but it doesn't have the moisture itself. Unlike others that has both moisture and they can lock in moisture. This one sits on your skin. See, you see how my skin is shining? It's not absorbing quickly. It will eventually absorb, but it won't absorb fast. This is how it will be shining on my body as if I've rubbed granite oil on my skin. So this also is a disadvantage for me because I don't like that. So it means I have to put tiny quantity. In fact, you see, it was just 2 drops that I put on my skin, and all my skin is shining like a, I don't know, shine girl. So what am I trying to say? You just have to use 1 drop, if possible less than a drop, because this is how your body will be shining till after a while it will then absorb into your skin. So you don't want to use it immediately when you are going out. Put it like 10-15 minutes before you go out, so that by the time you're going out it would have fully absorbed into your skin. If not, your skin will just be shining like shine lady, right? So that is the second disadvantage for me using this particular body oil. But really, if you're somebody who have ashy skin, you have dry skin, this would be good, guys. In all, right, in all, I think the oil is good for the lightening. I can't sell for now because I just started using it 2 weeks ago. So maybe after 6 weeks I'll come back and tell you my experience using it, whether it turned me 7x lighter as a claim, because it claims here that it will lighten you up to 7x times. So maybe I'll come back in March and give you that review if it did that work. But again, this particular oil is good for people who have very dry skin, ashy skin, and their body is not susceptible to eczema. So if you're eczema prone skin, you might not want to use this. If you have oily skin, you might not want to also use it. If you break out a lot, you don't want to use it on your face. But it's going to be very good on the feet for people who their feet is very dry, cracky, and all that. So once you put on your moisturizer, very thick moisturizer like this one, you can then lock in the moisturizer with your oil. So it will blend very well. It will blend. Guys, see, up till now it has not absorbed into my skin. It's still on it. But the good thing is that even though it is sitting on my skin, ladies, I don't feel this heavy weight. You know, there's some oil you put, they will feel like you've worn clothes. You'll be feeling it heavy on your skin. So this is not like that. It's very lightweight. So I love that. And I love the fact that it is odorless, like I said. So it doesn't really smell, doesn't even have any baby smell. There's no smell at all. So it's good. So that's just the downside. And I think I got this for 6K. I got it for 6K. So it is value for money. The size is big. Imagine this whole thing for 6K, 500 ml. So I think the value for money is cool. I don't know, depending on where you're getting it from. It could be more than 6K, it could be less than 6K. But I got this for 6K, right? So and another thing I can also say about the oil is that it doesn't really stink, right? There are some oils that you put that will just be stinking you, they'll be itching your body. I have used a particular oil, but I will not be mentioning the name. Anytime I just come out from the shower, I rub my cream and then I put on this oil, it stings me for a while before it normalizes. So I had to stop because that's not a good reaction. So I had to stop. So this one, I didn't experience that using this. So for the 2 weeks I've used it, I haven't experienced it. So ladies, tell me, have you used this body oil? What is your experience? What is your disadvantage? What do you have to say about it? The disadvantage and the advantage, let us know. And I want to hear from you that have been using it for a while. Did it give you 7x skin tone? Has it changed your skin tone from 1 to 7 or 4 or 5? And if you're somebody who is above 40, did it help with the wrinkle? Did it help with anti-aging? Let me know in the comment section, because I'm also anticipating to see it work for me. I just started using it, so you tell me, you that have used it, tell me your experience. Yeah, drop it in the comment section. And guys, please don't just watch my video, please subscribe. We're almost hitting 1K subscribers, so please support this channel by subscribing so we get there quickly, right? And I promise you, when we get to 1K, we're going to celebrate it big time on this channel. We're going to stream live and do giveaway. So if you have not been turning your notification bell, please do so now, so that you will not miss out on the party invitation, because I will be going live and I will be giving out a lot of goodies to all my subscribers. So ladies, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that when we hit that 1K, we'll come and party. So ladies, until I come your way next time, keep shining, keep glowing, and love you all. Ciao.